Hello, friends. Welcome to Quizmaster. Today we are going to play Would You Rather Quiz, Animal Edition. Make sure you are subscribed for more quizzes like this. Let's go.
Own a pet snake or own a pet spider? Live in a treehouse with monkeys or live in an underwater cave with dolphins? Have a pet tiger or have a pet polar bear? Be able to talk to all birds or be able to talk to all mammals? Ride a camel across the desert or ride an elephant through the jungle? Have a pet penguin or have a pet kangaroo? Swim with sharks or sleep in a room full of snakes? Have a pet wolf or have a pet fox? Have a pet owl or have a pet eagle? Have the ability to fly like a bird or have the ability to swim like a fish? Have a pet monkey or have a pet sloth? Live in a house overrun by cats or live in a house overrun by rabbits? Explore a deep cave with bats or explore a dense forest with bears? Have a pet dolphin or have a pet seal? Sleep in a bed of snakes or sleep in a bed of spiders? Have a pet horse or have a pet unicorn? Have a pet lion or have a pet cheetah? Have a pet raccoon or have a pet skunk? Have a pet turtle or have a pet tortoise? Have a pet crocodile or have a pet alligator? Ride a horse through the mountains or ride a camel across the desert? Have a pet ferret or have a pet hedgehog? Live in a house overrun by dogs or live in a house overrun by parrots? Have a pet bear or have a pet gorilla? Live in a jungle with monkeys or live in a desert with camels?
it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Click on one of these videos for your next challenges.